In today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you can record on the Insta360 GO 3S. Okay, here's a quick tutorial on how you record with this camera. As you can see, I have the actual camera here outside of the casing, and there's two different ways to start recording. One, you can press on the camera itself right here by pushing down. It makes that beep, starts loading, and now it's recording. See that? The counter is at the very bottom there, showing you that it's recording. And then to stop recording, you just press down on it again. All right, and then it saved it and it recorded. So the other way to record is right up here, the shutter button. So say you have your camera, you're out in the field. Okay, go ahead and press this shutter button right here. All right, you hear the beep, and then now you can see the counter, it's recording. So, okay, and then to stop it, all you do is press this button here to stop the recording, or you can use this camera here and push down there to stop it recording there as well. So two different ways to start recording and two different ways to stop recording, whichever works best for you. Those are the two different ways to start recording using your Insta360 GO 3S.